alright.
How did you know I was coming there?
I've just been waiting there for a few minutes. Well, oh, sorry.
You what?
I thought I seen you drive up.
Yeah, I was just dropping people off.
Oh, right.
Right, give us your driver's license.
26.
How does he know I'm coming down there?
I've seen you coming up and I started
I had a
coming
pupil in though. Yeah. Is that what you're waiting for?
Aye, that's what I thought. Well, you must be around the corner or something.
Yeah, I was dropping the pupil off. I told you about that feel I had yesterday, didn't I?
Yeah.
What did you feel for again?
Oh, hang on. I left a bottle of water. Oh, it's fine, doesn't matter. I left a bottle of water in the house.
You can go and get it.
No, it's fine, I'll be alright.
Well, then get yourself ready.
Have you had any passes off fields today at all?
I'm having any tests today.
Doing that?
Still getting over yesterday.
Aye. Yeah, I hope it goes well today, like.
You got all your mirrors done?
Yeah, alright. Yeah.
Today we've got Liam in for driving test.
Oh, didn't realise I was.
He's Liam's failed 2 driving tests before with somebody else, and to be honest with you, he was nowhere near ready. It wasn't his fault, he just wasn't taught the basics properly. Now we've got him firing on all cylinders, haven't we?
Pretty much.
So are you feeling confident?
A little bit. Aye. Less confident than I was yesterday, but still fairly confident. Nerves are kicking in a little bit, but
he's got a good chance if he drives nice and smooth. He does chuck a serious in every now and again, but I think he's good enough to do it. Go on, then off you go.
Nice.
So just drive smoothly. When you get in the car with the exam, put your license in there, yeah?
Yeah.
It should be about 3 minors, but we'll get to see how many faults he makes on the drive there. Yeah? You want us to give you any tips?
She's got any tips to give. She's got any tips to give.
I'll leave that in on video.
Huh?
I'll leave that in on video.
You can. She's a decent driver. She's got a license, so it's one.
You're only saying that because it's on video. You're telling me she was dreadful. Apparently she can't drive for toffee, can she?
I said nothing of the sort. She is alright, to be fair. She does have some
What's your sweetheart called?
Lucy.
You Lucy, or you have to put a crash helmet on when the kids get in with you.
She does have risky moments, like, but I think generally she's quite good. As I say, she's got a license, so she's one step ahead of me.
He doesn't see that when it's not on camera, that's for sure. He called you all the names under the sun. Well, the driving skills, anyway.
She's terrible at parking. She knows that.
You've never looked all around, you need to look all around like an owl. Keep looking all around the car, don't stare in it.
You're parking these boys.
Move your left shoulder. And go over your right shoulder so you know where to stop. Well, it's neatly done. Well
Is there a
done.
key here? Or?
No keys.
How does it start without a key? What's that?
Just has the key fob.
Oh. So how do I do it?
You don't. I'm just going to leave them here for you.
So I don't need to do anything, just come in and do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on. Well, we're at the test centre with the Mays and Liam. How do you think the hour's gone before?
It's been alright, really. It hasn't been bad.
He hasn't done any serious faults there. A few minors, bit hesitation. That's about it, really, isn't it?
Yeah, no too many dramas, really.
So we're going to wish him the very best of luck. Hopefully we'll get a pass. How are you feeling?
Bit more nervous now I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you've got to be confident, really.
Predictions and how many faults?
Honestly, I couldn't say. 5 minors.
5. I'll go for my normal 3.
Okay.
We'll just see how he does. 3 for me. Right, have you any questions before we turn this off?
No, not really.
No.
Not that I can think of.
Well, we're back up test with this main man. Well, tell him what you've done.
Passed.
How many faults?
2.
What did the examiner say at the end? It was a lovely drive.
Yeah, lovely drive.
Lovely and
It's
smooth.
cracking driver. It's crazy, like. Doesn't even sound right saying it, to be honest.
What?
Doesn't even sound right saying it, like. Cracking driver.
You drove the moon, wasn't he?
Aye.
You got a couple of gear faults. What were you doing wrong?
To be honest, Kent, I didn't even notice because I was that nervous. Like, well, I was nervous until he started talking to us, and then when he started talking to us, I was thinking like, he's obviously talking to us because I'm doing well. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then I relaxed a bit. But when I first got in, my leg was like, and I had to put the seat back. It was that bad.
Did you?
Oh, honestly, I didn't. My manoeuvre was pulling in the right,
Yeah.
and my leg was just like bump, 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 bump. Honestly, I was doing a right skits.
So you were slowing down with the gears. You weren't slowing down with the brake first. Yeah.
Yeah, but as I say, I was just nervous, like. But I'll take that. I'll take 2 minors because I said 5 didn't I at the beginning?
Mm-hmm.
But straight away I'm thinking, oh my god, I failed on that. And I was like, I'll never forgive myself. I feel I'm pulling on the right.
It's a good feeling, isn't it?
Oh, it's an amazing feeling, like.
Amazing, isn't it? Well done. You deserve it.
As I say, like the best thing, I have to tell you before, the best thing you can do when you learn to drive is go on YouTube, like.
Is it?
Because I was nervous. You know what I was like? I was a bag of nerves, like in that video that you put on at me last time. And it wasn't until I watched that back and I just thought, what an idiot you're being. You look like an absolute clown. You just need to settle yourself down, like. And that was the best thing I ever done. Every lesson straight after that, it's just been like smooth and getting better every time. And just, you know, the odd mistake. You know what I mean? But that was the best thing I've done.
He was wasn't you?
I was absolutely shocking, like.
He was bad, honestly, bad.
Really bad, aye. Well, the first lesson we had to go around all the little estates and that, didn't we?
I had to get his basics right, yeah.
Couldn't pull away properly.
Shocking. Wasn't his fault, it was just the way he was taught. Well, it's all done and dusted now. Money well spent, isn't it?
Oh, 100%. Honestly, I'm glad I rang you that time because, you know, it was just by chance that I didn't stay with the person I was with last time.
Yeah.
It was only because he changed his hours and stuff,
Yeah.
and it didn't fit around me. And honestly, that was the best thing I've ever done. Honestly, I'd still be doing lessons now. I wouldn't even be test ready. I'd still be doing lessons next year, man. You know what I mean?
Well, it's nice when he comes back and gives you praise, doesn't he? Them are the experts, aren't they?
I can tell I'm a lass and I'm a cracking driver now. So
Oh, well done. And the only reason I took you on was because you said, look, I just want to drive, I just want to be able to drive safe again.
Yeah.
Remember you saying that when I taught you? Can you remember?
Aye.
I thought, well, I'll do this one because he said he just wants to drive safe.
And I've said I've had loads of lessons. You know, I'm pretty decent. I just want to be able to tidy it up. And then within 10 minutes of getting in the car, you were just like, you cannot drive. I've had about 70 hours, man. I can't drive.
Bad drive. 70 hours of practice and bad drive.
Well, this is what I was saying to you, like, I feel like, you know, more information should be available to people who are getting lessons because you pay a lot of money, you know what I mean? You pay thousands and
exactly.
You don't know who's teaching you. Either might be qualified, but, you know, if they just scraped the qualification, do they actually know what they're doing, or they're just winging it every time? You know, like, everything should be made available, you know? But,
You're absolutely right.